Now this smells really good. So while it's boiling now, I'm gonna add the potatoes. I leave the skin on because there's some very good nutrients in putting in leaving the skin. And also I have some plantain. So for the plantain, I like peel off the skin and just cut it like this. Make sure you wash it. The potato, I scrub it. That's why it looks very clean. You remove all the dirt. So you just put it on top of the meat like that. I also have spinach, but then this spinach is already boiled. So when everything is ready, when I'm about to make the bouillon, because right now everything is just boiling, it's not the bouillon yet. When next thing you need to do is you have to fry the meat, and then you put the meat back on. You put all those vegetables, and then you make a sauce with that, the bouillon sauce. Then that's when I'm gonna add the spinach to finish it. Okay, and now just cover it up and let it boil together. I'm gonna add some more water. That way, those things can boil. I had to get a larger pot because it was there's so much stuff to put in there. And then I just added some fresh crab, and I showed you guys how to clean it. You have to open it up and remove all basically the poop. And also make sure you cut the top, those the things that were dragging on the floor. Make sure you cut them, because I get grossed out very easily. So if you don't clean your crab and you give it to me, I'm not gonna eat it. So, but if you don't know, it has to be removed, then I guess maybe you're not gonna get grossed out. But anyways, okay, now I'm gonna also add the spinach in there. And we're just gonna let it boil. Princess, my daughter's teething, so she's making a lot of noise. Hi, boo. This smells so good, guys, and it tastes really, really good. So now I'm gonna prepare the boy to put in there. The boy, what it is, it's basically flour that you put, and you put some water, and then also it tastes really good. Now this is about half of the bouillon, because my husband's favorite part is the boy, so we have a lot of boy in there. So I had to remove the potatoes and some of the meat. That way we can have the boy, can have them cooked. And the way you know that they're cooked is they become like a bit translucent. And like when it's not cooked, it's whitish. So when it's almost cooked, as you can see, or when it's cooked, it's more like translucent. And you can see, let me cut it and see if I find one of them that is ready. Let's see. So this one here, for instance, let's cut it. Like if it's not cooked, inside of it, it'll be white. This one seems to be cooked. Let's see. Let's put this here for a test. think I should put this something flat to cut it. It seems like it's cooked. Maybe not. Maybe not. You see how when it's not cooked, you see how this is white? But when it's cooked, the whole thing would be translucent too. Not so much translucent, but like, I'll show you guys when it's cooked. But this one here is not cooked yet. It's not fully cooked. Because you can see inside of it that's kind of white. But this is really good. Smells so good.